Hey everyone, hope you're having a great week, and thanks for tuning in to another Bona Training Camp video. You know, when we look over what the Bona Power Drive has done to the industry since being introduced in 2014, it's truly been a game changer. It helps you do a better job, a faster job, it's easier on your body. I know it's helped some guys stay in the game, which is nice. It's also super easy to teach people on, and it just gives you a consistently great floor for you and your customers. But let's take a look from a high level at all the different things you can do with the Bona Power Drive, because we want to make sure you're incorporating all these or as much of them into your system as you can. So another option we've got when using our power drive plate, maybe sometimes a little bit with the multi-disc, but mainly focused on power drive, is our Bona weights. So there I've got the option of one 15-pound weight or adding a second for a total of 30 pounds. And not only does that increase the aggressiveness of my cut of whatever I'm using at that point, but it also helps even out that cut, maybe even out my scratches a little more by pulling that cut pattern up around the sides of the machine and not leaving it just so focused in the back. Our typical approach on that is going to be maybe on our first cut, especially if we're using the power drive and not a belt sander at all. We may want to use 2 plates on that for our coarse cut, take 1 plate off and just use 1 when we move to our medium cut, and then have none when we reach our fine cut, and then I'm putting on my multi-disc anyway. When I look across this assortment of everything I can use and do with the Bona Power Drive, I've just got to say, if you don't have one, you got to get one. You're working too hard if you don't have a power drive, not only on your body. Again, when we say it can reduce your edging 50 to 80%, that should be enough in itself. But when you really understand everything you can use on it and everything you can do with it, it just helps your craftsmanship out that much more, helps you be more creative, and helps you create really beautiful, maybe one-of-a-kind floors for you and your customers.